Okay guys, we're dyeing our hair today. So, okay, we have Arctic Fox. I thought it would be a good idea to get, I want to do it like lilac-ish. So I want to do Purple Rain, Arctic Fox, and I'm going to mix it with Sterling, which is silver, which is kind of what I already have. But I don't want it to be very dark, so that's why I'm mixing. Getting semi-evil looks from my other half. And I cannot find my bowl and brush, so we're doing this with, I don't know, so hopefully that works. And this stuff smells like grape juice or Dimetap. Did you ever have Dimetap, Sean?
No.
He just doesn't want to be on video. Ooh, this is more violet-y than I thought. Anyways, it smells like grape Dimetap. I wouldn't say I like pretended I was sick in order to drink that, but it did taste quite good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here. So we're just gonna estimate. Okay, so it is like a grayish purple. Okay. And I just need enough to get the blonde portions of my hair. So I did a lot of reading on different types of dyes. So this stuff is vegan, cruelty-free, made in the USA. And it's supposed to be really long lasting, smells nice, is very like conditioning, so it doesn't actually really damage your hair in the process. This looks a little darker than I was, okay, but we may not end up lilac, people. But my other backup plan for that is to add some white conditioner whenever you want to water down a dye. So I thought, why buy like a really light dye if I could buy a dark one and then just water it down with clear conditioner, which would be way cheaper. I'm gonna put in, okay, so I put in some of the purple. So here's what my mix looks like right now. I don't know how good you can see that, but okay, so I'm gonna put in some white conditioner, which just kind of waters it down so that I can get more out of this, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna start applying. I'm not even on camera yet and I'm talking. Okay, so I picked this up the other day, Garnier New Fructis Triple Nutrition Fortifying Conditioner. So it doesn't matter, it just has to be like literally white conditioner. All right, so I just put a whole bunch of that in, and now we're gonna shake, shake, shake. That smells good too, so this is all gonna smell delightful. Okay, so this looks quite purplish. Like, it's purple, but it's pretty. It's really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna keep shaking it a little bit more because I want it to be, obviously, as well mixed as possible. Since I don't have my brush and bowl, which I'm gonna just have to buy a new one. I've had those for years. I do not know where I would have put them, but I am a little flaky, so there's a chance. Like, I just opened a drawer because maybe I put it in there. Like, I have no idea where it is. Okay, so hopefully this is enough to do all of my blonde hair. If not, we have a bit of a problem. It does smell delightful. It's like a grayish lilac. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's just do this. There's no point in delaying. Okay. And it's pretty well mixed. Okay, so here's what we've got. So this is really scientific, guys. Oh, so when I was reading about like the instructions for this, so it says to leave it on. You can leave it on as long as you want. You can do like 2 hours is what some people say is a good amount of time. And because it contains like so much conditioning agents and it's like healthy for your hair, and they said to use it on clean hair that has been shampooed but not conditioned. Conditioning affects the ability of the dye to work. So yeah. So my hope is that all of my silvery pieces become purple with this. And it really does actually feel quite conditioning, if you want to know the truth. It's a word party. So if you want to be entertained / maybe slightly frightened, you should watch Word Party on Netflix, which is my daughter's favorite show, maybe second favorite show. And at first I thought it was creepy, but now I actually kind of like it, and I know all of the songs. So that's what happens when you have a child, apparently. Okay, so I'm going to coat all of my blonde pieces in this, and I'm going to leave it on for as long as I can, which is hopefully going to be around 2 hours. It might have to be a little less, but I will definitely let you know whatever that time span is in the, when I return. So funny, covering up my light hair and just showing my dark hair makes me miss my dark hair. So I actually kind of do miss it. Usually this time of year I start getting ready to dye it dark again, and I am. I'm making my way there. This is a step along the journey. Hey guys, so I am makeup free, obviously, but here it is after just dyeing it, so it has not been washed or anything yet. So I rinsed it out. It still was like very smoothing, and it didn't feel like it did any damage at all to my hair. It just feels nice and it looks pretty. The color really is decent. I feel like it clung to any blonde that I had. I left it in for an hour and 40 minutes. That was the most I could do because we had to go out, and it was like, either way, an hour and 40 minutes was as long as I left it in, and I am very happy. I think it looks really pretty. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a check-in. This is after one wash, so it has faded, but it is still a really nice silvery purple. I'm gonna probably, depending on how long I keep it, refresh it kind of frequently. Yeah, so I like it. I'm cool with this, with the way that this is going. And so is Michael, which is why he wanted to say hi. Okay, I have to go. Thank you guys so much. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you've tried this stuff or if you have any questions for me.